If you want to install Dynamic Island on Motorola Moto G56, the first thing that we need to do is open the Play Store because, of course, we need to get the app that allows us to get a Dynamic Island. In this case, we're going to go to Search over here, tap on the Search field in order to write Dynamic Spot. There we go. Spot. And we should be able to find an example app, this one over here, that allows us to get the Dynamic Island. Of course, there are some other apps that work in a pretty similar way, so if you want to, you can try them out as well if you don't like this app for some reason. But in this case, in this video, I'm gonna use this app and I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is fairly easy. So once we open the app, then we're gonna press next over here. Then we have the setup. So first we're gonna tap over here on select apps, and you can choose which apps should be synchronized with the Dynamic Island, apps that should be displayed in the Dynamic Island when you receive a notification. You can simply press all over here in the top right corner if you want to, or you can select just specific apps if you wish to have it like that. Besides that, we can tap on notification access, and then once we are redirected, we want to choose the Dynamic Spot over here, allow notification access, and then press allow. Then tap on draw on screen once and press allow, and then tap again in order to press next. Wait a couple of seconds, you should be redirected to accessibility. You want to choose Dynamic Spot over here, enable Dynamic Spot, and press allow. And then we can press done. Over here, if you get this pro offer, we can tap on this X in the top right corner in order to skip it. And there we go, the app is pretty much set up. However, in addition to that, we can also go to the position settings in order to customize our Dynamic Island, because in this case it feels like it is mispositioned a little bit, so we can move it slightly up. I suppose we can just keep tapping on this arrow in order to do so. Actually, I have to probably move it more to the left. Oh, it's actually size, my bad. But yeah, we can also make it wider, definitely. Position, vertical position, let's move it slightly up. That's too much. Something closer to this value. So of course we can set it up as we wish. It can be in a position of our choice. Maybe let's make it just a tiny bit wider. There we go. I think this is a perfect size now. Of course we can make it thicker as well in terms of the height, so you can try it out as well. Once you are done, that's all you have to do. Now you should be able to get the Dynamic Island once you receive a notification. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.